Ilang days po, sir, bago makredit yung loan once ma-approve po? Answer? Actually, 3 to 5 days po ang loan processing ng Pag-ibig, Multipurpose Loan or MPL. So once approved, makareceive ng text message yung member borrower. So, for example, makareceive ka ng text Monday morning, Monday evening or 6 evening and onwards, or the following day, Tuesday, pwede na po ma-withdraw yung loan proceeds ninyo. Kasi withdrawable na po yan. Once makareceive kayo ng text message from Pag-ibig Loans Department. Right? So, thank you for watching our YouTube content. By the way, kung may comment kayo, suggestion, or question, please write in our comment section below. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.